Good morning students, my name is Shashank Verma and today I am going to discuss revision of chapter 2 whole number part 2. Clear student? Because in previous video we discussed some basic things, or in this video we will also discuss some basic things. Clear student? Because concept everything I clear in the previous video, so now this is only revision. Okay student? I will discuss only matlab some main part. Clear? And question you will solve yourself. So now come to the point student. We discuss some concept जैसे commutative law, associative law. Clear student? So now today we will discuss some other things. Clear student? So magic square also we discuss, and so now multiplicative property of zero also we discuss, associative law. Okay. तो this is our, और जैसे भी डिस्कस सम एग्जाम्पल लाइक 213 इंटू 12 माइनस 213 इंटू 28. If you have to solve this student, so how you will solve? You have to solve by applying the method. What is the method? First you will take common. So 213 you will take common. So here it will remain what? 1 into 12 minus here 1 remains. फिर what remains student? 28. Write down 28. Clear student? Now it will become what? 213 फिर 12 और minus 28. Clear student? अब you know that this is 213 into, अब 12 minus 28 you will not subtract, but you will subtract 28 and 12, and sign you will use which one is greater. So 28 having negative sign, so sign will be negative, and 28 and 12 you will subtract, it will come 8 minus 2 6, 2 minus 1 1. Clear? Now multiply this. 16 3 ja 48, 16 1 ja 16, 16 plus 4 20, 20 0 carry 2, 16 2 ja 32, 32 plus 2 34, and this minus sign. Clear student? So this type of question also we discussed in previous video. Clear student? So now I think you are able to solve all the question based on this student. Clear? And some other example I am going to give based on this question, because this is very important type of question and many times come in your examination. जैसे exercise 3D, I am solving some question. I will solve only some question. What is given? Question number 5. जैसे question number 5 is given 740 into 105. Clear? अब the student will not apply the rule. What he will do? He will multiply directly. Clear? But you know that about the rule because I clear all the basic concept. So what you will do, student? You will break. So it will become 740 multiplied by 105. What you can write down? You can write down 100 plus 5. Clear, student? Next is it will become 740 multiply. First it will multiply by 100. Write down 100 plus sign because plus is given. 740 multiply by 5. 740 multiply by 5. Clear, student? Now next is it will become 7430. Clear, student? And next it will become what? 500. 5 4 ja 20, 5 7 ja 35, 35 plus 2 37. Clear? Now you will add. It will come 0, फिर 0 7, 4 plus 3 7. Clear, student? Or this is also 7. If any mistake in addition, you will check 0 0 0 0, it's 7, and 3 plus 4 7. Okay. So this is our answer. If any mistake in multiplication, addition, subtraction, you will correct it. Or the next thing, when premiere is going on, only 10 to 12 students are joining. So please join because this is beneficial for you. You will understand the concept and you can ask the doubt that time. Clear? So come and join. So I think this method is clear to everyone. Okay, how to break and how to multiply. Because when you multiply directly, you will take too much time. Okay. Due to this, we discuss the rule. Clear, student? Okay, so I think now you are able to solve all the question based on this. अब जैसे one question is given, question was 6. What is given? 847 multiply by 99. Clear, student? अब the student who don't know about the rule, he will multiply directly, but you are the student who know everything. What 99, what you can write down, student? 99 you can write down 847 multiply by 100 minus 1, because 100 minus 1 is 99. Is that clear? So now it will become 847 into 100, minus sign is given to minus 9, 847 multiply by 1, so it will come what? 847. Is that clear, student? So now next thing is 84700, because 20 you will increase, minus 847. Clear, student? देखो, it is very easy. Now 10 minus 7 3, 9 minus 4 5, or it will become 6. So 16 minus 8 8, or carry you are taking from this, so this will become 3. So 83,853. Once again you will check. 7 plus 3 10, 5 plus 4 9 10, 8 plus 8 16 17, 3 plus 4 14. ठीक है ना? So this is your answer. So see, this is very easy, student. But if you are going to multiply 99 by 847, you will multiply, okay, I know, but it will take time. So due to this, we discuss the concept ki how you will solve this question very easy manner, okay, by breaking the numbers. Okay. So now I think this question is clear to everyone. So now move to the next question. अब next question is, student, so in exercise 3D that is given, and all question based on this, so we will do all question like that. Clear, student? अच्छा, one important thing, student, is the properties of division. Properties of division. Clear? This is very important thing I want to discuss. I also discuss in video. What is the mean of this? What is the actual mean of this? To student, properties of division means, जैसे if it is given 6 divided by 3, okay, so you know that this will come 2. Clear? तो if 6 divided by 3 is मतलब any number, जैसे 7 divided by 5, तो 5 1 5, carry 2, it will not divisible, तो decimal 5 4 20. Clear? So the conclusion is कि you can divide anything when denominator is a number, denominator is a natural number I am saying, ठीक है ना? But if denominator is natural number except 0, जैसे what is the mean of this? जैसे if you want to divide 10 upon 0. Clear? So some student what they will do, they will write down 0. Clear, student? They will write down 0, but this is incorrect. Why this is incorrect? Because in mathematics, in denominator there should be never 0. ठीक है ना? 0 should never lie in denominator, because in mathematics it is not defined. In next class, मतलब in 9, 10, 11th class you will read कि जैसे 10 upon 0 means if anything in denominator, if anything is divided by 0, okay, student? If anything divided by 0, so it will give infinity. अब infinity means not defined, मतलब in mathematics it is not defined. You cannot define this term. Clear? In next class you also read this about why this is infinity. Clear, student? Because in next class everything is proper explanation is given, but in this class only you have to know why it is given. It is given because 0, when you will divide 0 by any number, any number divisible by 0, it is not defined. Clear, student? So always make concept in your mind, if 0 is in denominator, so it is not defined. You will write down sign this, or you will write down not defined, but it is written 0 upon 5, 0 upon 6, anything in denominator, it means it is defined. ठीक है ना? What is value of this? This is 0, this is also 0. So the conclusion is कि when any number divisible by 0, they will write down it is not defined. Clear, student? Means it is infinity. Okay? And when any, or if 0 in numerator, so it is also 0. ठीक है ना? If 0 in numerator, so it will give 0. Clear? So only this rule is applicable for division, but there is nothing like multiplication. जैसे multiplication, you know that, student? Multiplication means you know that, जैसे 0 multiply by 2, 0, 0 multiply by 200, 0, okay, या 200 या 300 multiply by 0, also 0. There is no effect. But in division, if it is an 11 upon 0, it is what? It is infinity. Infinity are not defined. Always remember, not defined. In mathematics, 11 by 0, it is not defined. ठीक है ना? So always remember, because in examination will when question come, so you will be confused. Clear? Let us assume जैसे in examination I given the question कि which of the given not defined. Clear? So you have to choose the correct answer. If it is given जैसे 5 upon 0, 0 upon 5, 0 upon 6, and if I want to know कि which one of this is not defined, so we will write down this one. Clear? Because 0 is in denominator. Clear? So you know that 0 will never lie in the denominator. Clear, student? So this is the property of 0. So now come on next exercise 3. We will discuss some question of exercise 3e. So in this exercise, division algorithm is given. Division algorithm, you know that. जैसे I am going to take one example. For example, जैसे 25 divided by 570. 570 divided by 25. So what you will do? 25 to जा 50. Clear? 5 minus 5 0 7 0. फिर 25 to जा 50. Clear? 0 7 minus 5 2. अब it is not divisible. It is not divisible. So what you can write down? अब you know that for this we have to see dividend, divisor, quotient, remainder. What is the formula? Here I am writing dividend equal to divisor, divisor into quotient in bracket plus remainder. Clear, student? Plus remainder. Is that clear? So dividend, matlab this is dividend. Okay, so you will write down what? You will write down 570. Divisor, this is divisor, so you will write down 25. Quotient, this is 20 quotient, so write down 22 plus acha this one in bracket plus remainder. Remainder is what, student? 20. So write down 20. Up you have to check that this dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder or not. If it is not equal, it means there is a mistake in your calculation. Clear? So now we will check. Here I am writing this is 570. 570, so same you will write down, student. 570. Clear? Now here you will check. So 25 to ja 50. 50 0 carry 5. 25 to ja 50. 50 plus 2. 50 plus 5, 55. Clear? Table should be learned, student. So 550 comes. Now next is 20. Plus 20 is given now. So you will write down what? You will write down plus 20. So it will come what? It will come 570. So here 570 also, student. Here 570 also. It means our calculation is correct. Clear? So if in examination it is coming ki solve the division with the division algorithm and also check your answer. So what you will do, student? First you will divide and then you will check. What is the formula? Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. When you apply this formula and put the value, you know that this is dividend, this is quotient, this is divisor and this is remainder. Clear, student? So I think now this concept is clear to everyone. Now you are able to solve the question based on this. Clear, student? Okay. So now come to the some other questions on this. अब जैसे स्टूडेंट वन क्वेश्चन जैसे ऑलवेज कम इन योर, जैसे इफ इट इज गिवन द आई एम गिविंग एग्जांपल प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू नंबर इज 600 if one of them is 50, okay, then find other. Many times this question comes in your examination, in your book it is given, okay. So I am taking example on the basis of this you can solve the question. Now you know that what is given, the product of two number is 600. Clear? So you know that you can write down according to the question. You can write down first number into second number, because the product of two number is given. So there should be two number, the first number, second number, and it is given what? It is given 600. Next line is given, if one of them is 50, so one of them is 50, so write down 50. Second you don't know, so write down 2 equal to 600. Now what you have to do, student, you have to find out second one. Now this is the basic concept. You know that if it is then 2x equal to 10, so the value of x equal to 10 upon 2, yani 5. Simple concept is given, student. You know that the value of second number is what? 600, and this is in multiply, so this will go downside, it will come divide, so it will come 50, cancel, so 5, it will divide, it will come 12. So student, the first number is 50 and second number is what? 12. So if you want to check, so you can check jaise first number multiply by second number. Okay, so first number is student what? First number is 50, second number is 12. Now multiply this will come 600. So here you can see both are correct. So this is the checking process. There is no need of doing this. If you are confused, so then you can check. Product of both number will come 600 and 600 is coming. Clear, student? So by this you can solve this question. Based on this I took example, and some question based on this is given in your book. Clear, student? So now next question I am going to discuss. जैसे question number 10 I am going to discuss. This type of question is very important and always coming. Find the largest 4-digit number divisible by 16. So largest 4-digit number you have to find out. Largest 4-digit number divisible by 16. Clear, student? So we have to solve this question. You have to find out largest 4-digit number which is divisible by 16. So now you have to apply the process how you will solve. Clear, student? So this is question number 10. Question number 10 it is given. Okay. So now come to the question. Just this type of question I also discuss in NCERT. Just largest 4-digit number which is divisible by 16. Okay. So what you will do? First, you know that the largest 4-digit number, you know that 9999. Clear, student? This is the largest 4-digit number. Which is divisible by 16, you know that. So what? First you will divide it by 16. So it will come 16 5 ja 80, 9 minus 8 1, फिर 9, 16 1 जा 16, okay, 9 minus 6 3, फिर it will come इधर 9, 16 2 जा 32, okay, 9 minus 2 7, 3 minus 3 0, again it will come what? 7 9, अब it will come 16 4 जा 64, तो 9 minus 4 5, 7 minus 6 1. Clear, student? तो अब you know that कि largest 4-digit number you have to find out which is divisible by 16. अब here you can see कि this 15 is remainder. It means if we will reduce this 15, then this number must be divisible by what? Must be divisible by 16. Okay, because 15 is remaining. This is like, जैसे I am taking very small example. 7 is given. Okay, so you know that 2 3 is 6, 7 minus 6 1. Is that clear? So 7 is not totally divisible by 2 because 1 is remainder. So if you will subtract this one from 7, so this will become what? This will become 7 minus 1 6. अब now when you will divide, so it will totally divisible by what? Totally divisible by, student, 2. So this is the process. Clear? So here also you will apply the same concept. What you will apply? जैसे 15 is more. If this 15 you will reduce anyhow, then it will become divisible by 16. So what you will do? 9999 minus, you will do 15, 9 minus 5 4, 9 minus 1 8, or this will become 9984. Clear, student? Now up, if you want to check this is divisible or not, so I am checking here. 16 and 9984. Clear, student? So now I am going to check See, 16 5 ja 80, तो write down 80, 9 9 1 on 8. Clear? 16 1 ja 16, 9 minus 6 3, 1 minus 1 0. फिर it will come 8, तो 16 2 ja 32. See student, फिर 8 minus 2 6, 3 minus 3 0. फिर it will come 4, तो 16 4 ja student 64. Clear? तो now clearly you can see student कि this 9,984 is totally divisible by what? Totally divisible by 16. It means this 15 was more. If this 15 you will subtract, then your answer will come. So in this type of question, what you have to do? First you have to check the division, then you have to check what more is coming. So then this you will subtract, matlab remainder you will subtract, then answer will come. Clear student? So don't try to learn, only you have to understand the concept. So what is the concept? You have to see the remainder, and remainder is more na, because if this 15 was not included in this, then it is also divisible. So what we will do? We will remove this 15 from 9,999. Clear student? So now student, this is about chapter 2. Sorry, this is exercise of 3 na student. So 3, this is the R.S. Agrawal, but this is chapter 2. Clear? So I discussed some question of R.S. Agrawal as well as NCERT. Is that clear? Matlab whole number in NCERT this is given in chapter 2, but in R.S. Agrawal it is given in chapter 3. So I discussed some question of R.S. Agrawal. Clear student? Here I am writing. No, you know na, this is the question of R.S. Agrawal. Basic concept is given student. Clear student? So this is the question of R.S. Agrawal, and NCERT is also I explain. So now in next video we will discuss the next chapter. Clear student? Thank you students.